कंगना रनौत इतनी क्रिएटिविटी लाती कहां से? मतलब अलग अलग तरह के कंट्रोवर्सी बनाना भी तो एक क्रिएटिविटी है यार। तुम लोग को क्या लगा? See, we all know that some people would go to any extent to get some attention from others. Publicity is an intoxication for such people. मतलब publicity detox चाहिए इन लोगों को. Yes, whether it's negative or positive, all they want in life is publicity. It's like the student in our class in school or colleges where they would do anything to grab that attention and be that class clown just for the heck of it, right? And when such students grow up, yeah, they become the drama queen of Bollywood, and I'm talking about none other than Kangna Didi, yeah. But before I go ahead and tell you my perspectives and put on the perspectives about why I think Kangna Didi needs to hit the brakes, please go ahead, like, share, subscribe and comment your opinions below. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. चलो प्रमोशन खत्म, अभी काम शुरू. I feel she just wants to talk to get attention, and before cooling down from one controversy, jump into another one. Wait, not exactly jump, but create another one for her own self and just enjoy it while munching on some popcorn and people talking about it, and the damn saga continues again and again and again. Being a celebrity or an influencer, you do not have the right to say whatever comes to your mouth or your tongue, right? You can't just say whatever you want. Listen. There needs to be a connection between your brain and your tongue. And Kangna Didi, it seems like she has only the tongue activated and not the brain out here, because connection making is only possible when you have both working together, right? What is the difference between having a political opinion and a hidden agenda? See, listen, it's good to have some political statement or an opinion to an extent, right? It's every person's personal choice to believe in the tenets of various political agendas. However, you cannot slap your political views on someone's face forcefully. And you cannot say that this is the only right thing to do. But Kangna knows very well that being a person from a non-filmy background, to have her own space in Bollywood, she has to bring out the best or do something to ensure that her place is cemented. See, I am not at all questioning her acting skills. No, I'm no one to do that. With more than one national award for the best actor, she's already proven that she's a veteran in acting. But Kangna has no satisfaction with that यार. मतलब chill bro, chill. पिज्जा में कैसा एक्स्ट्रा टॉपिंग डालने बोलते हो, वैसे ही कंगना दीदी wants everything extra. भैया थोड़ा और तीखा करो ना. You know that type of swag. Yeah. 2020 में कुछ नहीं है करने को, ठीक है. So she put on a cape of a critic. Simple. Just sit home, relax, make a timetable when you're free to say whatever comes to your mouth and just put it out there. Let's talk about a few famous controversies by Kangna. This is going to be real fun. You're waiting for it, right? I am waiting to talk to you about them. 1. Nepotism. I didn't even know this word existed before I saw Coffee with Karan or that entire thing. Her tidding with Hrithik Roshan. Her support for BJP. Her war against Maharashtra government. Criticizing Karan Johar now and then and whenever needed. Hey Karan, idhar aa. चल उधर जा. Sometimes I really feel that she's bullying Karan Johar, man. She loves degrading him, or she loves saying something about him. मेरे को मतलब करण मेरा दोस्त नहीं है, मैं भी बोल दूंगा कभी ऐसा, या नहीं बोलूंगा, मेरे को नहीं मालूम, मगर हमेशा क्या करण जोहर, छोड़ो उसको, आगे बढ़ो. And even the Star Kids. I mean, these are some of the famous controversies created by her. When SSR passed away, rest in peace SSR, she came up with a video. To be honest, her acting was really great in it, right? At first glance, many people supported her by saying, yo, she's the only one who really cares about SSR, etc., etc. But later on, it felt like, ये तो खुद का पर्सनल फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकाल रही है. गली बॉय सिलेक्ट नहीं हुआ बेस्ट मूवी के लिए, उसके लिए मणिकर्णी का सिलेक्ट नहीं हुआ, तो चलो गली बॉय सिलेक्ट हुआ तो एक काम करते, पूरे बॉलीवुड को ही दे देगा अलग एंगल में. Nice strategy, right? She is intelligent. Come on, if you don't think she is intelligent, then you are not intelligent. She is very intelligent as a human being. I don't doubt that one bit. Similarly, when we check into the details and dig into the depth of all of these controversies, you can see that there is a personal touch for everything. Customization pasand hai didi ko. Whether it be a controversy or comparing Mumbai with POK. दीदी ऐसा मत बोलो, बंबई में मैं हूँ, ऐसा रहता हूँ, मतलब 30-35 साल हो गया, 25 साल हो गया इधर रह के, ऐसा नहीं बोलायचं सा काय, तुम्हारा जगह भी मस्त है हिमाचल प्रदेश में, बोला क्या ऐसा कुछ. In all of these controversies above, everywhere there was some or the other hidden agenda behind everything, with a costume of an act which is called done for others or done for the society. It has already been proven that such an act is done selfishly and not selflessly. Think about that. When it comes to Kangna, she's not doing such acts with pure intention or selflessness. Every so-called step taken by her for the public was literally not for the public, but for her pure personal frustrations that she's built up. चलो सही है, हमारा frustration और तुम्हारा frustration is doing it for the peoples. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Let's talk about the farmers' protest controversy that she cooked up, right? The latest cooked up controversy for the public is related to the farmers' protest and Diljit Dosanjh. She misidentified an old female protester as the same as Delhi's Shaheen Bagh guy and said that such people are available for 100 rupees. 100 रुपए में इधर उबर नहीं मिलता है जाने के लिए, इधर तुम बोल रहे इंसान मिलते हैं प्रोटेस्ट में. अच्छा ठीक है. As a reply to that, Diljit said, "Hey Kangna, ये कुछ भी क्या बोलते रहती है बार बार?" No, I mean he didn't say that. Here his tweets. You can just read it out. Yeah. So to this tweet as well, Kangna said, "Yo," and she took out an agony with Karan Johar here as well, very wisely, and said, "Diljit, तू चमचा है, चमचा किधर है? चल." I mean, किधर का किधर है? What दीदी? What? Kangna दीदी काय झालं? Chill no, chill. Reality check, right? Let's talk about the reality. In Delhi's Shaheen Bagh protest against CAA, it was Bilkis Dadi. And in the farmers' protest, it was Mohinder Kaur Dadi, which is a farmer. Who is a farmer from Punjab? I mean, they are both different. So, Kangna, तुमको क्या आधार कार्ड मांगते हैं क्या अभी? And in the interview given to the media, Mohinder Dadi said that if Kangna believes that she can be hired for 100 rupees, then she is willing to pay her 400 or 500 rupees. I mean, Kangna एक नंबर ना, दादी ने तुम्हारा इन्वेस्टमेंट 4x कर दिया ऑलरेडी. तुमको चाहिए क्या? और दादी ऐसे ही नहीं 400-500 देने वाली है. She said you have to go milk her cows and help her in the खेती and help her with that. Dadi is super savage, bro. I mean, and Bilkis Dadi has also announced her support for farmers after this controversy and has told that she is going to go for the protest. So thank you, Kangna. You're getting somebody else as well that you just misidentified. 100 रुपया. एक काम करो ना कंगना दीदी, 100 रुपया पेटीएम तो करो. क्या है अभी मंदी का टाइम चालू है. Alright, what is the conclusion? What's my thoughts behind all of this? See, farmers and soldiers are two groups who keep our nation as it is. They feed us and keep us safe. Whether you have a negative opinion about any other profession or class of people, but never make fun of our farmers. Yes, they are not terrorists, they are farmers. If we cut those hands which are feeding us, then no action is more inhumane than that. What I have to tell Kangna and the public that is, your freedom of speech doesn't give you the right to make your tongue do salsa, tango and bachata. Listen, you have certain limits and courtesy, alright? Always practice that. And before raising your voice for people like Kangna, make sure there is no personal agenda of hers behind that. Because for your kind information, let me tell you, I've seen many people firing their guns of abusive words in the comment section of various posts related to this particular controversy. And meanwhile, Kangna was celebrating her sister's birthday. Yes, so in 2020 or 2021, whenever you're seeing this video, stop being such a lol, bro. You are a lol. Here's your brain. दिया है ना भगवान ने, क्या सीन है? भेड़ बकरी जैसे अंधे बन के किधर भी मत घूमो. Have your own opinions and thoughts and do your own research. My name is Raja Mukherjee and I will see you next week. And yes, I support and stand for the farmers. Peace.